Namaste everyone. Here I am going to solve one question which is related to mensuration, which runs like this. A metallic pipe is 0.7 centimeter thick. Inner radius of the pipe is 3.5 centimeter and length is 5 decimeter. Find its total surface area. We have to calculate its total surface area. First of all, we have to draw its figure, which will be like this. A metallic pipe. As we know, pipe will be in a form of cylinder. We can form like this. This is base. Here, its length, that is height, it is 5 decimeter. This part is 5 dm. As we know, in 1 decimeter, there are 5 centimeter. So we can change it into centimeter like this. 5 into 10 centimeter. As 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter, it is 50 centimeter. Now this part is 50 centimeter. Thickness is 0.5 centimeter. This part. This is its inner radius and this is its exterior radius. A circle, a cylindrical part whose maximum radius, that is capital R. Inner radius of the pipe is 3.5 centimeter. Inner, this part R is 3.5 centimeter. From here to here, this length is 3.5 centimeter only. And its thickness is 0.7 centimeter. To get its exterior radius, we have to add this thickness in interior radius. So 3.5 centimeter plus 0.7 centimeter, this part will be 3.5 centimeter plus 0.7 centimeter, that is 4.2 centimeter. Capital R is 4.2 centimeter and small r, interior radius is 3.5 centimeter. Length is obtained and length is 5 decimeter. Find its total surface area. As we know, total surface area of a cylinder is this curved surface area, that is 2 pi rh, and here are two parts, inner surface area as well as exterior surface area. So we have to add both areas. Then we got then we will get curved surface area, and there are two circular parts. This is thickness. This area will also be added. This is thickness. This part is its thickness. This area will also be added, and this area, its top area will be equal to its base area. This part will be added 2 times. Now, inner curved surface area of this pipe will be 2 pi r h. Outer curved surface area will be equal to 2 pi and capital RH, and two rims or bases. Base, this part is base and this part is top. Its area will be 2. Its area, as we know, pi r square, circular part pi r square, capital pi r square minus a smaller pi r square. This part, and 2 times. So area of rims, area of base and top, or area of rims, this part will be, as we know, pi r square, pi and r square, capital R square minus a small r square, and this will be area of base, and we have to add top area also, so it will be 2 pi r square minus r square. Then we will find area of this part, area of this part. Now we have to add it. Now total surface area of the metallic pipe is equal to inner curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH, plus outer curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH, plus area of rims or area of base and area of top. We can calculate it like this: 2 pi into r square minus r square. Here 2 pi is common. 2 pi. Here left part will be RH. Here capital RH, and here r square minus r square. It will be 2 pi 22 by 7 r h. We can take here common also, pi h into r plus r. Here r square minus r square, that is r plus r into r minus r. We can calculate it like this. It is 22 by 7. This h is given 5 into 10 centimeter, that is 50 centimeter. R plus R, capital R 4.2 and a small r, that is 3.5. In this way we have 7.7 plus this part will also be 7 plus 7.7 and this part will be r minus r, capital R minus a smaller r, that is 4.2 minus 3.5, that is 0.7, which is equal to its thickness. We have to calculate it. It is 44 by 7 into, here we can take again common, that is 7.7. 7.7, then we have 50 plus 0.7. It will be 44 by 7 into 7.7 into 50 plus 0.7, that is 50.7. 44 by 7 into 7.7 into 50.7. 7 1.1. 44 into 1.1 into 50.7. This is total surface area. Eleven for 44 plus 4, that is 48. Now we have to find its product. That will be calculated like this. Into 48.4. Add all these. One decimal will be for 2 digits. It will be 2453.88, and this is curved, this is total surface area, and as we know, unit of area will be cm square. All units are in cm. In this way, total surface area of this pipe, of this metallic pipe, is 2453.88 square cm. That's all. Thank you for watching.